right, today we are looking at this basic generic Bluetooth car adapter. This turns a regular stereo that doesn't have a Bluetooth enabled function on it, but does have an audio or auxiliary port. This will turn that into a Bluetooth receiver. You plug this end into your auxiliary port, and then basically you turn this Bluetooth portion on, and it'll receive a signal from your phone or other music device that you want to play music from. So I ordered this off of Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. It was about $8, so fairly cheap way of converting your car if you don't want to buy a brand new stereo. So let me go ahead and open this up and let's see what we have inside here. So there is our Bluetooth receiver. You can see it's got a button. It's got a mic on the end there, and that is about it. Yeah. So let me go ahead and see if there should be a charger in here as well. There's our charger, little instruction manual. So that is our micro USB charger. That is going to plug into our Bluetooth device, looks like underneath or right here. And that's how you charge this up, since it doesn't have an unlimited power source. It's not receiving power through this plug. And basically this is going to plug down into the bottom here. And then we're all set to go. That's the basic setup. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to a wall outlet. Let's see if we need to charge it up for a bit. And then we're going to go ahead and get it enabled in the truck. Okay, Bluetooth receiver is plugged into a wall outlet. This guy right up here. And as you can see, a little red light comes on. They say it takes 2 to 3 hours to charge for this first time. So we'll let that go and then get her tested out. All right, so we are inside the cab of my Nissan Titan now. And what I'm going to do, you can see this is the stereo deck, what it looks like. And it's got a little aux input right there. Your radio may look a little bit different, but have a similar function, hopefully. And what we're just going to do is basically plug that straight into the aux port so it kind of hangs out. Now, this is one of the features I'm not super happy with, is you got this dongle that just kind of hangs here. But, again, not super intrusive, and to allow Bluetooth functionality, it's worth it to me. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to show you, is I'm going to push that button. I'm going to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. When I release, you can see just barely there, the blue and red lights begin to flash. That means this thing is in pairing mode. So let's go over to my phone screen now, and let's enable Bluetooth and pair it with this. Okay, I'm in the settings portion on my Android phone. This is going to be similar, obviously, if you're using an iPhone, and basically, or any other Android device. And basically what we're going to do is just on connections. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to turn Bluetooth on. There's also a shortcut, obviously, by swiping down like this. And you can turn on the Bluetooth up there. Or, again, we're going to come over here on Bluetooth. I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring up a few of the Bluetooth paired devices that are available. Again, as long as that's in scanning mode, you can see that it's scanning right now for Bluetooth devices. Okay, you can see one Bluetooth device has been found. Okay, you can see it connected with the top Bluetooth device there. I'm going to go ahead and switch back over to the camera mode, and let's give this a listen and see how it sounds. Okay, we are connected now. As you can see, there's a little blue light now that just randomly will flash, and that means we are connected. Okay, now make sure, again, on your stereo deck here, you are on the aux input. So I'm going to switch that to auxiliary right there. And now I'm going to go ahead and get some music fired up here. Go. So you may not have been able to hear the audio perfectly from the video, but it actually sounds pretty good. It's got good bass, seems to be getting good input. Again, I'm working off of the Titan's stock radio system. Yeah, but I'm going to give this thing a thumbs up. I think the only complications I've had so far with it are potentially the pairing can be a little bit funny.
But for, you know, $8-9, I'd say it's a really great, cheap way to get Bluetooth into your vehicle before you're ready to get a brand new deck that has it natively in there. All right, hope that has helped, friends. Hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos coming up real soon.